A woman accuses a famous face of hitting and dragging her, prompting police to respond. And we're getting a glimpse of what happened behind closed doors.
I went into the room, I was talking. I did not hit her. Never did I ever.
This is Inside the Crime, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner. Before we get to this body cam, there's a reason Law&Crime is the go-to spot for true crime content. Just like there's a reason Morgan & Morgan is America's largest personal injury law firm. They have more than 1,000 attorneys and have recovered $25 billion for more than 500,000 clients. In the past few months alone, a client in Florida received $12 million when insurance offered just $350,000. And in Pennsylvania, another client was awarded $26 million, 40 times the insurer's offer. Morgan & Morgan makes it so easy to fight for what you deserve. You can even start a claim from your phone. So if you're injured, you can start a claim at forthepeople.com/insidethecrime. Click the link below or scan the QR code on your screen. The cops were called after a confrontation over alleged cheating. Then when the story unfolded, officers quickly learned there was a lot more to what happened.
See you in court.
November 26, 2025. We're in South Fulton, Georgia. It's just after 4:30 in the morning when officers respond to the home of Iman Shumpert. Now, before we get to the response, let's take a listen to the 911 call that came in moments before.
I never touched you. Let's do it.
Fulton County 911.
Hi.
Can I have your address, ma'am?
1 second.
Let them come.
Yep.
Is this a house, apartment, or business?
House.
Can I have your name, please?
Joanna.
Tell me exactly
You
what's
want to
happening.
put your hands on me? I never touched you. You put your hands on me. You put your hands on me.
Hello?
Yes.
Tell me exactly what's happening, ma'am.
So I have a gentleman here. I'm having a conversation with him, and he put his hands on me.
Are you injured, ma'am? Do you need EMS?
No, I don't need EMS.
Is anyone intoxicated or have any weapons?
Might be intoxicated.
Very intoxicated.
Yep.
Are you or him intoxicated, ma'am?
Him.
Her.
Both.
Both of you are?
No, I'm not. I'm so not. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Joe, can you take this call outside?
Who is he to you, ma'am?
Can you take this call
A
outside?
friend.
You keep trying to stay in the house to make it dangerous.
No,
Okay,
you
let me get
touched
a
me.
description
You
of
know
him.
you did wrong
Hello?
when you
Ma'am, I need you
dragged
to
me out the
answer
room. You sat there and you dragged me out the room. If Taco would have saw the way you dragged me, then she'll understand. I'm sorry?
Ma'am, can I get a description
I'm
of
sorry,
him,
ma'am?
please? Can I get a description of him? Is he African American, Caucasian, Hispanic?
Yes,
Which one, ma'am?
African American.
What color shirt does he have on?
Nothing. Yeah, it's weird.
What color pants?
Black.
Let me get a description of you. Are you African American, Caucasian, Hispanic?
Yes,
Which one,
black.
ma'am? What color shirt do you have on?
Black.
What color pants?
Black.
All right, they'll be out there shortly, okay?
Thanks.
Welcome.
Now, a lot of people might already know who Iman is. Former NBA star, the season 30 winner of Dancing with the Stars, the ex-husband of singer/actress Tiana Taylor. But on this day, all police knew was there was a domestic dispute at his home.
The story that she's saying was to get you out of the room as well. It doesn't.
This is supposed to be my people, dog.
She's saying that he had the initial story said he didn't hit her, but that he dragged her out of the room, trying to get her to leave. She won't leave the residence. They're saying she had a ride, but she refused to get in the ride. Or,
No, I didn't refuse to get in a ride.
or you didn't get in
I
the ride.
did not refuse.
You didn't take the ride.
I'm the one who initially called the ride.
The woman sitting on the black couch is Joanna Donjour, and she's the one who called 911. On Instagram, she's known as Joanna Kim. She has tens of thousands of followers. It's not really clear if it's the full boyfriend-girlfriend title, but she and Iman had something romantic going on. A situationship maybe, dating possibly. You get the picture. So on November 26th, Joanna went over to Iman's place, and it quickly got ugly. When she was there, another woman is there. Iman says this is just a friend, but when Joanna confronts the former NBA star about another woman he was talking to, that's where things escalated. The two got into a heated verbal argument, and Iman was like, you gotta go.
You didn't get in a ride that initially.
Right, because all of this happened.
Okay.
You want to talk to me outside?
No.
And tell me what took place?
No, I was upfront about everything that happened from the beginning to the end. I didn't tell no lie.
Okay. And even if it's his residence, so he wants you to vacate the residence, do you have a ride that can come get you?
I already called a ride.
Okay, so
I
is
will
the
call
ride on
another
the way?
one.
Okay. Is the ride on the way?
No, I can call one now. I was waiting for you guys. But
Gotcha.
in the initial fact, then I want to make a report.
Okay, and I can get you a case number in regards
Okay,
to this.
let's do that.
Got you.
You have your ID?
Yeah. There's an orange, a Birkin outside.
Oh, we're not allowed
I
to go
can't
through it,
touch this
babe. You
stuff.
have to do it. Put my Birkin on the floor.
Now, I would be upset too. Birkin bags are expensive. One alone could be anywhere between $15,000 and $20,000, if not more. But back inside the home, the woman who witnessed everything told officers what she saw unfold. She's not named in the police report, but Iman's friend reported seeing Joanna enter his bedroom, confirming the two got into a verbal argument. According to the police report, Iman asked Joanna to leave twice, and she refused. So he allegedly grabbed her by the wrist to get her to leave. While Joanna said Iman was violent, the unnamed witness said he didn't do it in an aggressive way.
You don't have like state issue ID?
No.
What state is your ID?
New Jersey.
I was gonna call over right there. You want me to write it down?
Do you guys have trouble finding it before there was like something that happened and they couldn't even pull up my name?
Understood. But you do have a New Jersey issue
Yeah.
ID or driver's license?
Yeah. So I'm just trying to understand. So the grounds of putting your hands on someone or whatever that's unlawful.
The
is
initial
what?
story that you told me was you were banging on the door trying to get in the room, and you made your way into the room.
No, he opened the door.
Well, he opened the door and he removed you from the room. You told me you were aggressive going into the room.
No,
He
I
removed
wasn't
you.
aggressive. I was on the phone when I was going to the room.
Okay.
I went into the room, he opened the door. I went inside, we were talking.
That's not what you initially told me. You said
I
that
said
he
I
had
went
another
into the
girl
room.
in the room and.
Ask her. I went into the room, I was talking.
Okay.
I did not hit him. Never did I ever
I
hit
never
him.
said you hit him.
Okay, so where is the aggressiveness coming from?
I never said
My-
aggressive
my-
doesn't
my
mean you
body?
hit him.
So you said I was aggressive.
That
Where
doesn't
is
mean
it?
you hit him. But you told me
Okay.
you went into the room.
Did you call the
upset
ride?
Because another girl was she was in the room. So
So at what point did there become aggression between me and him?
I'm going off the story you said. So you went
Okay,
into
so
the
let's
room, you
find
were-
other witnesses for the story.
You
You said I was aggressive, so
So-
how?
I didn't say when you went into the room, you were upset that another girl, or that he was in the room with the other girl.
No, I wasn't.
He
No,
removed you from the
no.
room?
See, you pick and chose what you felt to understand
Okay,
from the story.
repeat the story.
I said we were
You have-
talking about another girl.
Okay.
Prior to this, it's a whole bunch of girls. It's another girl from this. She was on the phone. Not her.
Okay.
It was another girl. And she was on the phone and we were discussing the situation. So when I knocked on the door, and then he opened the door, and then we were discussing it. He got upset, obviously, because he wanted to continue the situation with this girl. So he got upset, not me.
Okay.
Understand the story clear. your camera that you have
It's
running?
all on camera, so
Yes,
I'll go back
please
and
run it
listen to
back.
I got you.
Be mindful of what you're doing. You're a cop. This is your job.
It's all recorded.
Be mindful, so don't make
Everything
don't make
I'm
them.
not anything.
Okay.
It's recorded, like you said.
Yes.
And how far is it right?
You haven't taken down a statement, did you?
It's on the camera. We don't have to physically write anything down. We can
Okay.
watch it when we get in the car.
Okay.
Do you want me to close this door?
So too. I have never. I don't know if you've ever in your life been dragged by your hands and your feet out of your own will. I don't know if you've ever been in that situation, but that's not okay.
What's a good
If that's
contact number
lawful,
for you?
I don't know. Is that lawful?
What's a good contact phone number for you, Miss Joanna?
Is that lawful? I'm asking you a question.
Is it lawful for him
To be
remove
dragged
from
by
the
your
room?
hands and your feet.
Is there a statute that says someone can't drag you by the hands? I'm trying to understand what you're asking, really.
Okay. That was my question.
What's a good contact phone number for you? And then what's the ETA for the ride that's coming for you?
15.
All right. Do you mind to step outside while we wait for that, please?
No. I do mind.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you to step outside while we wait for the ride. Miss, can you step outside while we wait for the ride?
It's raining.
It's not raining.
Okay, but I'm in my pajamas.
It's not raining. There's a porch that's covered right here. This
I'm in
is
my
now
pajamas.
my second time asking you.
So you're gonna remove me?
Yes. Can we step outside onto the porch while we wait for the ride? So this way we can de-escalate everything that's going on here. You're telling your story. You're upset. Tensions are high. I'm going to ask that you please step outside with us.
Okay, remove me.
Thank
I
you.
promise you this. No, you can remove me. I promise
Honestly,
this is gonna be
y'all
out
make
of
that
order in 2 seconds.
Please.
No, let me stand outside.
Let them do exactly
Just
what
don't
you
want nothing to
Let's
go
do it.
wrong at the same
Come on.
time, Chaco.
Let's do
At
it.
the same time, they don't have to be aggressive. I'm not tripping.
No, let's do
Take
it.
a second
Put
while
me
I-
outside for 10 minutes, 15 minutes until my
I
car
just
comes.
don't
I
want
don't care.
nothing to go left. That's all. Please. Please don't let nothing go left.
We were just be standing outside waiting on the ride.
I know, but I just don't. She talking about remove me. Please, bro. I just don't want no bull happening here, please.
We have no intent to touch up this.
I know. I just don't want nothing to go left. She need to wait on her ride. She can wait on her ride. Please don't let nothing go left here, bro. I don't want nothing going left. I can't handle it right now, man. I just can't handle it. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Case card.
Joanna, the officers, and Iman all wait. The minutes drag on endlessly.
This has been the longest day.
It has, especially since yesterday I only worked from 12, basically. I was thinking like I could do 8-hour shifts. My allergies are busting my ass. I need a clarity. Yes, I need a clarity. I just finished my accident modules. I gotta do my narratives now.
I finished up my modules.
I be doing them on scene. That's how I get it done so quick.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm like, all right, let me get you a case number real quick. Run their right name, put it right in the module. Boop, 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 boop. Offense. Time. District, whatever. All right. Then I go back. Here's your case number. Da-da-da. And then I do my narrative at like 3 a.m.
Copy all in and tag. The oil in is 049-634-476. I'm about 478-188.
You gonna ask what they think? So you gonna ask what they think?
Copy the tag for me, Georgia tag, Robert Tango Robert, 9225.
Look at that spider. You see it? It's enormous. The spider.
Oh.
Times on a 2012 GMC Yukon silver in color. Lady Jessica Gideon, South Mapleton, Bell Valley,
And it's just like floating up the thing. Yeah. Nah. It's been 10 minutes.
Then Iman drops a bombshell. Was a driver ever on their way?
Man, I ain't gonna lie, I don't think she called no car.
No.
I don't know, it ain't no way. This one, she was playing like. I don't want nobody getting aggressive or nothing, but it's just like.
So the only other option would be to criminally trespass her from the location. Hmm? There's some headlights coming, so maybe. You heard?
In the end, maybe patience was a virtue, but it was Joanna who got the final word.
Miss, is this your ride?
Keep doing the same thing. See you in court. You know, on Instagram in the morning. Y'all already know this story. So y'all are sitting there defending this man.
According to the police report, officers didn't observe any visible injuries, including marks or bruising on Joanna. And based on all the information they gathered, no charges, criminal or misdemeanor, were filed against Iman. In a statement, Iman Shumpert gave his side of the story. saying, "Last week I had friends over, and a visitor at my residence was politely asked to leave several times after I witnessed her damaging personal property. The police were called, invited inside, and they spoke with multiple people who saw what happened. After assessing the situation, the police instructed her to leave repeatedly. She refused to vacate the property after being asked to leave multiple times, and only after the officers escorted her outside did she eventually depart. This matter was quickly closed that night by the police after they did their investigation." And again, despite the turmoil and everything else, no criminal charges were filed and no arrests were made in this case. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Inside the Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner.